Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to restore the deleted posts on Instagram. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and then what you're gonna have to do, just go into basically your profile. Just go into your profile, okay, and from the profile I will just delete a post. So I will just scroll down here basically, and I will just delete any post from here, okay. So let it just load the posts for me, and I will go ahead and I will just delete this post from here, okay. So now this post has been deleted. I will tap on the three lines at the top right, your activity, and then go to the recently deleted here, and here we have this post. Now if I basically wanted to restore it, I will tap on the post here and then tap on the three dots here, and here in the last you can see we have restore option. Tap on restore, tap on restore, and now this post will be restored, okay. So if we just go back into the here and basically refresh our Instagram profile, you will see that this post has back. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.